Hello viewers, I Vinod Kumar Chauhan welcomes you in my YouTube channel CQ means Chauhan Coaching Classes. In our today's video we are going to solve the second part of first question of exercise 4.4 chapter 4 practical geometry of class 8. In our second part we are going to draw the quadrilateral true. The given measurements are TR equal to 3.5 cm, RU equal to 3 cm, UE equal to 4 cm, angle R equal to 75 degree and angle U equal to 120 degree. First we are going to draw the rough figure for this. First we draw this TR equal to 3.5 centimeter. This is our TR 3.5 centimeter. Then now we have 2 points T and R. The angles are given, angle R and angle U. So we can use angle R. It is 75 degree. From this point we are going to draw the angle of 75 degree. For this we open our rounder little and then we draw this arc from this point like this. Then we draw 60 degree angle from this point without changing the distance on the rounder, and then we draw 160 from this point. Then after 1 point from this 60 and 1 from this 120, then we join this. This is our 90 degree, but we need 75. It lies in between 60 and 90. So what we do, from this point we draw one arc, and from this point we draw one more arc which intersect the previous arc. Then we join this with this intersecting point. This is our 75 degree. This is RU. RU equal to 3 centimeter. From the point R we are going to draw the arc of 3 centimeter. An arc of 3 centimeter. So for this we open our arc, our rounder 3 centimeter, and we draw one arc. And this is our point RU. Now the angle of 120 degree is given. So from this point U we draw one more arc as we draw here like this. And for this we open our rounder little. Then we draw from this point 60 and this is 120. Then we join this point with this intersecting point. It is our 120 degree angle. Now what left? Only UE is left. So from point U we open our rounder 4 centimeter and we draw one more arc of 4 centimeter. It is 4 centimeter, and then we join this intersecting point with T. It is UE. It is our E point. So this is our true diagram. Steps of construction. Step A, draw a line segment TR equal to 3.5 centimeter. This is our TR 3.5 centimeter. Then step B, construct an angle of 75 degree at R. This is our R point, and this point we are going to draw the angle of 75 degree. This is. So for the 75 degree angle, first we draw this arc by opening our rounder little, and then from this point we draw one arc here and one here without changing the length of the arc. And then again we draw the one arc from this point and one from this point, and then we join the intersecting point of this. This is our 90, but we need the 75 degree. This is the 60, this is the 90. In between 60 and 90 the 75 is there. So again we draw one arc from here and one from here. Now we join this with this intersecting point. It is our 75 degree. And draw an arc of radius 3 centimeter with R. Now we open our rounder 3 centimeter and draw one arc from this point R. This is our R U 3 centimeter. This is U point. Now 3 centimeter with R as center which intersect at U. Now the step T. Construct an angle of 120 degree at U. This is our U, and here we draw the 120. Here on the point we draw already 60 and 120. Same again we open the rounder little. Then we draw one more arc from this point. It is 60, and from this point it is 120. Now we join this 120 with U. Construct an angle of 128 U and produce the side UE. This is UE. UE is 4 centimeter. So what we do? From the U point, we open rounder 4 centimeter and draw one arc. Here, this is 4 centimeter. Draw an arc of radius 4 centimeter with U as center. This is the 4 centimeter arc. Join UE and TE. This is UE. This intersecting point is E. UE and TE. It is required quadrilateral true. TRUE. This is the required quadrilateral.